Cat and mouse always fighting, chaos reigns. House is in shambles, nothing spared. Mother, owner of the house, is overwhelmed. Cat has sharp claws, quick reflexes. Mouse is crafty, uses clever tactics. They chase each other every day. Floor scattered with broken china. Furniture has claw marks everywhere. Mother dreams of peace and quiet. Neighbors complain about the noise. Cat thinks it's the ultimate hunter. Mouse considers itself a survivor. Mother pleads, please, no more fighting. Cat and mouse ignore her completely. Finally, they call a truce over cheese. Peace ensues, house repaired, mother relieved.